Hello guys, and this is day 2 of the Peahc Advent Tea Calendar. And this is the calendar I'm using. It's by Sonitor, it's their ecological teas. Ecological, well, search what that means, I don't know if it's the same in English. But the tea for today is called Fireplace Fruit Tea. And the problem with this is that it is only in German or Swedish. So, yeah, there is no English on this one. And I don't want to have to translate what everything is. So, but let's taste the tea. I had it in for 10 minutes. It's a fruit tea. Maybe that is a bit too much. I mean, it did say 5 to 10. So, well, let's taste it. I should look there. There's the camera. I'm looking at the viewfinder, I guess is what you would call that, or whatever. OBS. Yeah. I don't tend to like fruit teas. This is not an exception. Fruit teas to me are they're a bit too sweet. I don't want my tea sweet. Unless it's iced tea. And even then I don't want it to be super sweet. A little bit of sweetness is okay in iced tea. But, yeah. Ugh. I don't tend to like fruit teas. And I wonder how many of these are fruit teas. I have no idea. As far as I know, there's another one. Oh, it seems to be 3 out of these 24 are fruit teas. That's pretty good. Or at least they have fruit tea in the name. Maybe there are some others that have fruit tea in the name but are not. But that are fruit teas as well. Alright. Did I say what it was called? Yes, Fireplace Fruit Tea is the name of the tea. So, I mean, let's answer some comments right now. One comment by Duplino. That is so beautiful. Oh, I've already answered this, but I can answer it again in a video. That is so beautiful. So much better than the snows we get in England. Going around a scenic environment in warm clothes with a hot cocoa has got to be peak comfy in weather like that. P.S. You didn't honk the horn. Angry face. And 623 is my new wallpaper. It's something you could see on a funeral slideshow. Yeah, and I actually watched that. It's the one where I do this, right? I mean, I might as well check it out. No, it's the one where I smile, okay. Yeah, I agree. Okay, and some other comments. Oh god. Because there are a lot of comments that are like, oh, there's... For example, by X3Mbo. Chill video with a soothing audio. Nice pics. To my video of what I have watched on Netflix. So yeah. Well, glad you enjoyed it. Me basically just listing the title names. And just giving a little bit of an opinion of what I think of certain things. And there we go. I'm just gonna close down OBS right there. Which is not a good thing because if something goes wrong with OBS, I won't see it. But it won't distract me. And I can maybe focus a bit more on the camera itself. Okay, well, it seems like YouTube won't show me more comments than a week ago. It says error. Alright, even when I update, it doesn't go further back than a week. Well, that's good. Perg said that this is the life of a pop star. on my recommend me a hentai bitch shonen versus Dottai Futanari-san or Slutty Boy versus Virgin Futanari. I guess the life of a pop star would kind of be just having a bunch of sex. So yeah, I could see that. Well, those are the only comments. Other than, alright, let's take a comment by Potato Hole as well. I mean, I haven't read this, but judging by the fact that it's Potato Hole, it's either gonna have to do with my asshole or something about traps or want to have sex with me. So let's see. It is. Oh my god, you look like a cheeky little trap in that thumbnail. Ooh woo. Keep going with those comments, Potato Hole. Yeah, so those are basically all the comments. There are other comments further back, I'm sure. But maybe I'll just let them be lost to time. That is the comment section for today's Advent. That's for you, Duplino. And along with a little otter right here, an otter statue. And some hot cocoa.